Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create or customize the My Account page and login page or sign up page of your WordPress website. So this method will work even though if you have WooCommerce based WordPress website or just a WordPress website. Now let's get started. So I have created this website called hardikpatel.xyz. This is just a demo website, and this is the fully functional website I just created within 1 hour. If you would like to check how I created, feel free to check it out. The link given in description video of that video. It has the menu system, also have the price list I have created, and all the photography packages and contact us page and everything. Now in this website I want to allow customers or subscribers to register and sign up. What I will do is I will add the My Account and sign up section in this menu system. How can I do that? Is go to WP admin dashboard, go to settings here and general settings. Here on the general settings you will find this option, membership. Simply tick the tick box, anyone can register. That way you will allow other subscribers or customers to register on your website. Now this is just a blogging or business based WordPress website, but if you are running a WooCommerce based WordPress website where you sell items, then instead of subscriber you can choose the customer option. Because this is non-WooCommerce website, the option customer is not exist. Once you selected that, you just simply save changes. Now to customize or add the My Account and login and sign up pages, what you have to do is you have to install the plugin. Now if you are having the WooCommerce plugin installed, then WooCommerce has default settings and it allows the customers to register and sign up to the website, but the My Account page and sign up pages looks very odd and doesn't look very professional. It just simple looking forms. In our case, we're gonna customize the form. So what you have to do is simply go to the plugins, add new plugin, and here you search for something like login, and then enter. So you'll find a bunch of options. This is the plugin Ultimate Member, which allows user profile, registration, login, membership directory, and everything to be customized and creation. But you can also go and check out the other options available as well. This is one of my other favorite plugins where you can create the login and sign up pop-up pages, and it is free of cost. I have created this separate video on it, so if you check it out, the link given in the description below. For this tutorial sake, we're going to use this plugin, user registration and membership. So simply click install now and activate. You can see here this plugin has 5-star reviews and 706 people have already reviewed it. It has 60,000 active installations. So simply install now and then activate. Once you do so, in the active plugins, you can see user registration. So simply go to settings here. Now general. So this is very important setting. Simply select the relevant options. So subscriber, I don't want subscriber to access my WP admin, and I also don't want customer. So if you have customer option, you can select that one as well. Enable hide show password, you can enable that one as well. My Account page, I already have created My Account page, but in your case, if you don't have My Account page handy, what you have to do is you have to go to the pages and add new pages, and you can create the new page called My Account. It is very simple. Hopefully you know that how to create the My Account page. Once you create that, simply publish, and then it will show up here. So once you have My Account page created, simply select the My Account. Layout, you can choose either horizontal or vertical, whichever layout you want to go with. Ajax submission on edit profile, you can turn it on if you are running or using the Ajax on your website. If you don't know anything about it, then just simply leave it as it is. Disable profile picture, you can disable if you want to. Disable logout confirmation, you can disable if you want to. And everything stays as it is. Simply save changes. Now go to login option. Here, form template, you can go and select the form template. I will go with rounded one and see how does it look like. Allow user to log in with username or email, which is okay. Enable login title, maybe you can set active, so it will enable. Check the enable login title in login. And Ajax, enable Ajax login, I'm happy to go with because I'm using Ajax, but up to you, you can disable it. Enable remember me, enable lost password, yes. Hide field labels, enable CAPTCHA. This is very important for the security, so it will avoid any spams or bots. Registration URL. So if you have a specific URL for registration, then you can put it here, but I will leave it blank for now. Registration URL label, not a member. Disable default WordPress login screen. To activate this functionality, you must have the login and My Account pages active, and the forms are already active on those pages. So I will keep it as it is. I will disable it for now, and then everything as it is, placeholder, I will leave it blank and save changes. Now the front end messages, these are the success messages your subscribers or customers will see. Error message is as it is, save changes. Now go to CAPTCHA setting. Now here you can check and select the relevant CAPTCHA. So make sure you have site key and secret key handy. I prefer reCAPTCHA v3, but sometimes it doesn't work with some websites, so you can go with CAPTCHA settings like v2 and enter the site key and secret key, which you can find it at your Google account. Simply paste those keys here. If you don't know where to get those keys, simply hover over the question icon and here open it, and it will open to Google CAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA page where you can register for v3 or v2 admin console. So I quickly select v3, and here I already have registered. v2 invisible. What you have to do is simply create new one, and here would be the CAPTCHA keys. You can taste the CAPTCHA and it will look like something like this. Save changes. So that means CAPTCHA is working, and then go to emails, and here in the emails basically everything would look the same, so keep it as it is and save changes. Okay, you can change the name and email address if you want to. Import export, if you want to access that setting you can always access that, but we don't really need it. Now miscellaneous, nothing to be done. Integration, you can integrate with Twilio or other platforms like MailChimp. Once everything is done, go to all forms, and here you can create a form. So basically it is very simple. You can use any of the templates provided. You can select free versus premium. So premium forms would have more options, but we'll go with free plan for now. Basically in our case we just simply go to the registration form, or you can create from scratch. So just imagine sign up, continue. That way it will create the sign up form. You can always preview it. Look something like this one. Submit button is here. You can make few changes as well. So form settings, and everything looks good. So field, and here are the field options. If you want to add any more fields you can always add. This is the form. So this is the user registration form. What you have to do is simply copy the shortcode and go to all pages, open it, and if I want to add that sign up page, what you have to do is simply click add new, create an account, and then here I will search for shortcode and paste the code here, publish. Once you publish it, you can always view that. So what you have to do is view the page and look something like this, which is good. What I will do is I'll go to appearance here, and under the appearance I'll go to the menus, and here on the main menu, so make sure the main menu is selected. If you don't have any menu set up, you can always create the main menu, and then you can always assign this display location. Now my account I want to add here into the main menu. I also want to add registration, then add to menu. So create an account or registration, both are same. So what I'll do is I'll keep it, maybe let me remove the registration and add the create an account. Once I do so, what you have to do is simply save menu, and if you have any caching plugin installed, make sure you clear the cache. Now what you have to do is go to the front end of the website, so refresh the website, and now you have two more options added to the menu. So my account, if I click onto that, you have my account page login, so you can add the login ID and password and solve the CAPTCHA. That way you can log into my account page, which is good. Let me show you how does it look like. So basically my account page would look something like this one, which is nice looking. Now change the password. You can always change the password. By the way, you can see the CSS is not well optimized. This could be occurred because of the caching plugin I am using. So you can always turn off the caching plugin and see whether problem resolves. In some cases it may take some time to fix this after you uninstall the caching plugin, but after even 24 hours, if the problem is not resolved, that means something is wrong with the existing plugin setup. So you can check it out. You can always log out from here. So once are you sure you want to log out, you can click confirm logout. Create an account section. If you click on it, it will take you to create an account page where you can add all the details and create an account. The submission button, I can change it to other color. Go to appearance and customize, and here additional CSS. What I'll do is I'll right click and add the code, remove unwanted codes, and split the semicolon. And then if I open that page and see whether the code is working, you see here it's working, right? So it looks okay. Now you can add further codes accordingly if you want to. So once you add all the CSS settings, you can save and publish. So that's how you can edit the CSS into the forms. Now let me go back to the front end of the website, close inspect elements and refresh the website, go to home page and go to my account page and see how does it look like. So it looks good. I can further edit or customize these settings via CSS, make it more space in between and all. It looks okay now. So all good. Now if I go to create an account, I still can see. So both looks different, I know, and you can change the settings from here. So what you have to do is in this form, go to all forms, and if I go to edit of that form and form settings, if you scroll down here, rounded edges, you just select rounded, update, and once you update it, if you go to the front end and open it, you can see now it's matching. So that's how you can create it. That's how you can make changes. So that's it. That's how you can create the My Account page and the login and sign up pages on your WordPress website. If you feel like this video has added some value, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Also hit the like button to this video. It means a lot to me and it will help me to create more and more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.